Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best repayment strategy for a Stripe capital advance. When I first took a Stripe capital advance, my immediate thought was to pay it off as quickly as possible. But the truth is, the fixed fee structure of the advance, it's a set amount regardless of how fast you repay, means that paying off early doesn't save you a single dollar on the total cost. This is the first crucial thing to understand based on my experience. Stripe Capital standard repayment is automatic. A fixed percentage of your daily sales through Stripe is withheld until the balance, plus the flat fee, is fully paid. This automatic, revenue-based repayment is actually the best strategy for most businesses, and here's why from a cash flow perspective. First, the primary benefit is flexibility. If you have a slow week or a seasonal dip, the amount being withheld decreases right along with your sales. This is a massive relief compared to a traditional loan with a fixed monthly payment that hits your bank account regardless of your revenue. The built-in protection against slow periods is invaluable for maintaining healthy operating cash flow. Second, it simplifies your life. The automation is fantastic. You literally don't have to think about making a payment. Stripe handles a deduction and it's done. This frees up mental space and time that you would otherwise spend managing payment schedules, transfers, or worrying about due dates. Now, about that desire to pay it off early. Since there is no financial benefit, you still pay the full flat fee, you need to evaluate the cost of tying up your working capital. Every dollar you manually pay in early is a dollar that isn't available for inventory, marketing, or emergency expenses. I learned that the money is almost always better utilized driving growth in the business, which in turn naturally increases your daily sales and accelerates the automatic repayment without forcing the issue. My recommended strategy, therefore, is to trust the automatic system. Let the revenue-based repayment do its job. It's designed to align with your business's natural rhythm. Only consider a manual payment if you have truly excess cash that you want to move off the balance sheet, or if you're aiming to qualify for a new, larger advance from Stripe sooner. Otherwise, maximize your working capital and let your business's natural sales cycle manage the repayment. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.